Hey guys, almost 3 weeks ago, I had made a video showing you that in Japan, there were some YouTubers that were allowed to play PlayStation 5 early and make review videos. Those were the first reviews that we're seeing for PlayStation 5, and it was announced that sometime in the near future, the US would be getting consoles to review. That was almost 3 weeks ago, and it looks like today some kind of embargo has been lifted where people are popping up all over social media saying, hey, I have a PlayStation 5. The people that are receiving these are large media outlets, some tech review people, and then some popular gaming hosts. And these are people all from the US. And this is a different situation than it was in Japan. In Japan, the YouTubers had to go to a Sony's studio and play one console. But here, these people are actually being sent the console to their home. And obviously, the reason for this is so that they can play and experience the console and then put out some kind of a review. I'll show you everybody online that I could find that has a console currently in their home and then show you the stuff they've been showing. Clearly there is an embargo where they're not allowed to show any footage or really a review at this time. And some of them have been showing videos of them opening the box, taking everything out, and then lots of pictures of the outside of the box on all sides and what it says. Here's one unboxing here. This is from Jeff Knightley. He's one of the gaming hosts, and it shows that they are getting two boxes. One of them is the actual PlayStation 5 and the other is full of all the accessories. Looks like it comes neatly wrapped in this PlayStation 5 logo tissue paper with a sticker, and then here is the box that has all the accessories. Along with all of this, Jeff Knightley also made a tweet saying that the PlayStation 5's console box and everything that's in that weighs 14.7 pounds. Now the actual PlayStation console itself weighs a little over 9.98 pounds. Another gaming host by the name of Andrea Renee also received a PlayStation 5 and this accessories bundle. So they all got two boxes, and she's showing both boxes. The one with the console in it looks the same. It has the tissue paper, and then the other one, yeah, we saw Jeff Knightley unboxing. Then she shows everything displayed that was in the accessories box. So here she's showing everything except for the USB drive, and it looks like they're getting the headset, an extra controller, the new camera, and the controller charging station. One guy shows the unboxing of the controller and then using it, and I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But first I'll show you guys everybody that I could find online that did receive this bundle. So obviously Jeff and Andrea, and then this guy here, Marcus Brownlee, he's a web video producer. Then this guy here, Samit, he is actually from Polygon. Then Elise Favis, she is a games reporter for the Washington Post. One of the editors from CNET, Jeff Bacalar, he got one. Then Greg Miller, he is actually from the Borderlands show, but he's also from kindoffunny.com, and he actually has a video showing him holding the box and talking about it. And of course, iJustine, she has a massive YouTube channel where she reviews and goes over tech. I've seen editors that work for The Verge say that The Verge has one, but they haven't actually posted anything on their social media. And then finally, this guy here, Austin Evans, he makes tech videos on YouTube, and he actually made a really good video unboxing the controller. I'll show you guys some highlights from that in just a moment, and this is all the people that I could find. There's going to be more, but these are the people that showed a lot of pictures and had some really good info. Also, the European gaming and tech review sites have not received a PlayStation 5. This is only for the US. This tweet here by the Digital Foundry, I believe they're in the UK, they said, "Can we stop with all the conspiracy theories, please? You may have noticed that none of the European outlets have received PlayStation 5s yet. It really is that simple." Also, it seems that the people that have received the PlayStation 5s might be under some kind of embargo for when they're allowed to release actual reviews and footage of them playing on it. The only embargo that's been lifted right now is them being allowed to say that, yes, I do have one, and here is a picture of the box. And here are some pictures of what they were allowed to show. They show the entire console's box with all sides that do give some good information. This side here actually shows the contents of everything that comes inside the console's box. We'll zoom in here. On the bottom it says it comes with a PlayStation 5 console, obviously, a wireless controller, just one, the base, that allows you to lay it on its side, and then obviously when it's standing up, comes with one HDMI cable, an AC power cord, one USB cable, the printed materials, and then also the Astro's Playroom that is already pre-installed. Here is the top of the box. It is blue and it comes with a handle, but nothing else is really said on here. Here is a shot of the bottom of the box, which actually gives some good information about how to transfer your gaming information from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. We'll zoom in here. It says, for PlayStation 4 console users, you can transfer data to your PlayStation 5 console in the following ways. connect your PS4 console and your PlayStation 5 console to the same network, connect your extended storage drive from your PlayStation 4 console to your PS5 console, then sign into your PS5 console with the account you created on a PS4 console. You can transfer data such as gaming history and trophies, as well as profile and friend information. And finally, here's the back of the box with lots of information. Zoomed in, it says lightning speed, harness the power of custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrite the rules of what a PlayStation console can do. In the middle, breathtaking immersion, discover a deeper gaming experience with support for haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio technology. They're talking about the controller there. Then on the right, it says stunning games, marvel at incredible graphics, and experience new PS5 features. Play a back catalog of supported PS4 games with system update. Then the words down at the bottom, they are way too hard to read. I could not find a clear image to see what it says. Then the people that got these PlayStation 5s were able to take pictures showing what this console box looks like next to the PS4 console box. It's definitely an interesting comparison, but we already knew that, yeah, this PlayStation 5 is a monster compared to the PS4. And then just to be extra thorough, they've compared it to a banana. Now going back to Austin Evans, he is one of the YouTubers that reviews tech, and yeah, he received one of the PlayStations and he is unboxing the controller and actually using it. And this is a really good video. I'll have it linked down in the description. I'll also have the other people that have received the PlayStation 5s linked down in the description, so you can keep an eye on when they actually do drop their reviews. Now right here, Austin pulled the controller out of the box, and to him, he said that the controller looked gray. Like, he thought it was gonna be pretty white, but he thinks it looks gray, and he actually compared it to a PS4 white controller. It might be hard to tell what he's seeing in real life in his video, but yeah, he's saying that it is a hint of gray and definitely not solid white like he was thinking, which probably means the console is going to be that same kind of color, just a very, very light tint of gray. Then he was able to compare the controller to the Xbox and the PS4 controller. Looks pretty good. I definitely feel like it's an upgrade and looks pretty fancy. Now, I think they've already said that the PS5 controller will not work with the PS4, but he plugged it in anyways to see if it would, and it looks like he was able to get the microphone to work on the PlayStation 5 controller, but that was it. Also, the PS5 controller will work with PC, so that's awesome. Also, the PS5 controller will work with Android phones. Right here, he is playing an Xbox game on his Android phone with a PS5 controller. Then finally, he messed around with the buttons a little bit, saying that the D-pad on the left is one solid piece, it feels good, and the triangle, square, X, circle buttons definitely feel good. They feel really different though. So yeah, any day now, we will be seeing a bunch of reviews dropping all over their websites and YouTube channels, and I'll keep you guys updated if I find out more. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.